the opportunity. Okay, so the opportunity is exactly what we were just covering. I kind of got a little ahead of myself. And so inside of these things, every single one of these is an opportunity. So remember, as these things are coming in, each one, and now remember, if you click inside of here, you're literally clicking the opportunity. If you click the name, you'll click the contact record, okay? Watch what happens. I click this, that's the opportunity. See, it says opportunity. If I click the name, I go to the contact record, which tells me about all the stuff that's been going on. And I can also see over here that it tells me the opportunity. So hopefully you understand that, like, we're bouncing through this, make sure that you understand that there's a difference when you click it on these. You're like, how do I want to see that? It's a little weird, but inside of here, there's things that you can do, right? So if I wanted to just call them, I could literally just hit it and boom, and it would fire away and call. I have mine disabled on this browser right now, but I could literally call. If I want to just fire away a text message, I can just fire away a text message. Hey, if I want to fire away an email, I can just literally fire away an email. For this one is not connected, I'll let you peek into my account for a minute, but with my, I'll show you what it looks like even with Facebook, okay? So even inside of Facebook, people are having conversations with me. So this was, let's just see, probably unread because the guy was, here we go, Jonathan. So see what's going on here? This is actually Facebook. So this was going on last night. They're literally communicating to me in Facebook. So if I wanted to fire him back a message in Facebook Messenger, I can literally just fire him back a message in Facebook Messenger, which you see me doing. This is all Facebook, okay? If I wanted to shoot him an email, I can just shoot him an email. It's all right here. If I decided to shoot him a text message, I shoot him a text message. It's all in one command center, okay? So that you can operate on all this little different stuff. So that's how this works. Does everybody understand that? So there's, this whole thing right here. This is the, the message came in. So I'll go over here and I'll create an opportunity. I'll show you. I'll do it live right now. So which pipeline? Well, he's a Webinly lead right now. He's a Webinly lead. Which stage is he at? He's in this contact and options. Okay, because right now I'm opt-in. I'm actually contacting him right now. And so open, there it is, that's good. The value for this one's $14.97 because of my package that we were discussing. Okay, the owner is gonna be Aaron, the source, this would just be Facebook. Okay, so there it is. And again, I get buzzed with this, and if you guys haven't seen it yet, like what happens is it looks like this. Like as long as you have your dashboard open, right? As long as you have your dashboard open, is that we've got, the opportunity. So this is under all. Right? So I can come in here now, and if I wanted to sort just the open ones, okay? So just the open ones, and I forgot now what the name was. It was Jonathan. So there's Jonathan, right? So there's Jonathan. There's the contact record. I can click on it. Here's the opportunity now, and so there's that opportunity we were just dealing with, and I can also just literally click into his contact record. Okay, and matter of fact, what I didn't even set for myself is I actually set, there's an appointment. So the appointment was actually set for tomorrow. So this was a book and request. Okay, so this is over here. And the slot was, which I can't do in here, but I'll do it for you so you can see it. It was 7 p.m. because I have my spots blocked out. They can only do so many. So under here, then I would put a note and I would book it. And then all the systems would follow up to him, right? Hopefully you guys all understand that. What's gonna happen is that it would start sending off all the stuff that I've programmed. Like, hey, you got an appointment. Hey, just getting ready to book, all that different stuff, all right? All right, we definitely went off on a little bit of a tangent, but let's go back into our little fun, where is my Looney characters? There you go. Cool, so there's Looney characters. Does it stay? It doesn't stay. There we go. All right, so hopefully you understand more about these opportunities. Look, folks, this boot camp is is not meant for you to master the system, okay? This boot camp is meant for you to get a general understanding of things so that you can just start taking some action. It's gonna require you to actually apply things and touch buttons and see it. Okay, so that is the opportunities. Okay, so again, let's just go back and recap what we did, because we did a lot today. Okay, so we went over the dashboard. Okay, we looked at the contact records, and we looked at the pipelines. Okay, so we looked at the pipeline overview and creation, and we looked at the opportunities. Okay, so this really is like the meat and potatoes of the system, and you got to be able to monitor it. And so what I really want you to do is I want you to think about it's not just about you, it's about your clients. Look, let me explain something to you. There is a secret that I've been keeping from a lot of people. And those of you that may have been around my community for a while, you know that I have fairly sizable clients, and I keep them a long, long time. How have I been doing it? Is I've been putting them on Infusionsoft. I'm able to see all of this stuff in real time. Matter of fact, I got a client 2 years ago, and I had a hunch that the leads that were coming in, because I was able to see it, were not being called properly. I've spoken with the 2 people that I knew that were taking the call, especially one of them that I knew was taking the calls. And I just knew from my own experience that they suck. I don't know what to tell you, they're horrible. So I had to go out and go buy CallRail. I had to get a third-party software. I had to go get it to monitor and to listen and all this other different stuff. Well, this is where, but I can tell you right now that if I didn't get those calls recorded, and if I didn't get them recorded and given to the CEO and show them what's going on, I probably would have been out the door. Okay? I probably would have been out the door, because they would never believe that this employee that they've had for years was horrible. They're gonna believe them over you. And so when I went and surfaced these calls and sat down with the CEO and said, look, this is what's going on, here's why you're losing it, he was like, oh my God. And, you know, obviously, like, we didn't want to go like yell at the employee, but what he did is he's like, great, now we need to fix it. So let's go build the system out, let's do this, let's do that. But I would have lost that client. It's $5,500 a month. It's a big client. Okay, so I want you to start seeing not only the potential for you and clients, but the potential to you to show your work and for you to really help these people that you're helping. Okay, that all these little tricks of the trade that you can go and do. All right, I think that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.